Artemis.
Don't we go get it?
What's her name?
I'll get it.
I don't know.
Everyone get into position.
Miss Thompson, maybe?
Oh, no, Miss Thompson.
Is she married?
Who? The eating crew.
We are the eating crew.
I'm
Miss,
Molokai.
can you please
I'm
help
Molokai.
us? We're trying to
you
learn
know
something
anything
on the
about
island
Father?
Molokai.
On Father Damien.
Yeah, what about him?
We need new points about him, and it's just relevant because it's Wikipedia, so we don't know
it's
if it's right or
Wikipedia.
not.
You don't know if you can write that stuff.
Yeah,
Because we're not in class at the moment because we had to do this. Like,
yeah, they sent us to research him on the Father Damien of Molokai.
Yeah.
The one
Yeah.
that his
went-
Molokai in Hawaii.
Yeah.
yeah, it's in Hawaii,
Okay, and you
and
don't
it's
know
like
if
where all
it's
the
the
lepers go.
Yeah, and like it's Wikipedia, so I don't know if we can trust it or not.
Okay, I'll check with.
Oh no, you don't need to check with anyone.
No, but it looks like it because it says or Saint Damien of Michael.
We just want to know. We just. What are you laughing at? We just want to know, like, if you know anything like relevant to it. You don't know anything?
No,
Do you know him?
know anything
no,
about
and I
Molokai?
don't know why you've got the picture camera thing.
Oh, that's what we just left on from.
No,
Let me
take
just
it
fix
off,
it.
please.
Okay, let me just fix it.
And
Alright.
I wouldn't do that again.
Eating
because
crew,
Otherwise,
eating
I'll
crew.
be telling.